Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. The topic is Origin of Language. The idea that man is different from animals is present in all cultures and is generally expressed by saying that only man has higher faculties like consciousness, free will, morality, and the creative power to produce art, science, and poetry. All we need to say is that only man has language. The rest is just a consequence of that one faculty. So it's the origin of language that we need to understand if we want to find out what made us human. Language evolution. Language evolution. Features of human language. Evidence for a universal grammar. Language development. Language disorders. Pigeons and creoles, animal language experiments, fossil evidence, ESS approaches to language evolution. Theories of the origin of language. The Bow Wow theory, based upon the notion that speech arose through people imitating the sounds of environment, especially animal calls, the use of onomatopoeic words. The Popo theory, based on the evidence that speech arose through people making instinctive sounds. The Ding Dong theory postulates that speech arose because people reacted to the world around them. Sound symbolism. The Yo-Yo theory, based on the notion that speech arose from physical environmental needs which produced communal rhythmical grunts which later on developed into chants. The Lala theory provides that if any single factor was responsible to initiate human language, it would be romantic side of human life. Where origins of language. There is a linguistic hypothesis that states that all language from Europe to India originate from a single mother language, Proto-Indo-European. This language is thought to have been spoken thousands of years ago. This will help us to find out more about the origin of modern European languages, including Dutch. Where origins of language. There is a linguistic hypothesis that states that all language from India originates from a single mother language. Thomas Sebeok and Noam Chomsky. Biosemiotics and biolinguistics have been developed in parallel during the past 50 years. Both fields claim that language has biological roots and must be studied as a natural phenomenon, thus bringing to an end the old divide between nature and culture. To Charles Peirce. There are three main types of science in the world, and therefore three types of semiosis and three types of communication. The three types of science are iconic, indexes, and symbols. The origins of language, Dr. C. George Bourret. Language is a system of symbols with several levels of organization, at least phonetics, the sounds, syntax, the grammar, the semantics, the meanings. Theories about the origins of language by Max Muller and George Romanes a century ago. The Bow Wow theory, the Ding Dong theory, the Tata theory by Sir Richard Paget, the Popo theory, the sing-song theory by Danish linguist Jespersen. So that was the whole story of today's lecture. Thank you and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.